I don't believe in voodoo, so I don't know what all of that was about. But you know, Deborah, I'll let you.
Yeah. Oh, so firstly, we kind of saw it as a point of distraction, and we were able to still put our focus high, regardless of whatever they believe in. We believe in God, and in God we stand, and we know with God all things are possible. So we don't care about the voodoo, you know.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, my baby. Yes.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.